Today in repair an amplifier called AMP-MAS 2.190. The amplifier is almost new, but it behaves extremely strange. When power is applied, the green LED flashes. If you bend the board a little bit, this effect goes away. If you bend it the other way, the amplifier goes into defense. What it looks like on the power supply: blinking LED, current limitation is triggered on the power supply. Normal operation, consumption of 450 milliamperes. And the protection is triggered. Overall the board looks good, but for some reason even the output transistors show starting ring cracks. Also on other places of the board. Need to solder. In general, absolutely all contacts were soldered. With cracks, without cracks, it doesn't matter, since just soldering the suspicious places had no effect. Let's see what now. I apply power. The green indicator lights up. I try all sorts of bending the board. Everything is fine. I put the board into the case and completely forgot to show you what it is made of. I have another board of exactly the same amplifier, but in a less marketable form. A piece of the board was slightly broken off, so I partially repaired it. And you can see the components in detail. The power capacitors are 3300 microfarads, 50 volts. The inverter is assembled on TL494, no exotics here. Everything is also standard in terms of filters. Operational amplifiers JRQ4558. Here you can't see well, but the same operational amplifiers. At the output, transistors B817, D1047, 2 pairs per channel, so there should be a margin of safety. Power measurement. Only one channel is connected, therefore the power will probably be more than 190 watts. The application here is 190 at 4 ohms. Looking at the oscilloscope friend, 10 volts per division is not enough, and 26 volts of pure sine wave, 26.5 even, convert to watts, and 175 watts. All in all, with one channel connected. But maybe that's not cheating, just marketing and 190 application with some percentage of distortion.